Sound waves get reflected at the surface of solid, liquid, similar to the reflection of light. Laws of reflection of sound are similar to that of light. Let us do an interesting activity to study the laws of reflection of sound. Activity: make two identical pipes made from cardboards of sufficient length. Arrange them on a table near a wall. Keep a clock near an open end of one of the pipes and try to hear the sound of clock through the other pipe. Adjust the angle between the two pipes in such a way that you can clearly hear the sounds from the clock. Draw lines along the pipes. Also, draw the normal to the wall at the point of meeting of the two lines. Now measure the angle of incidence and reflection. It is found that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. What happens if the pipe on the right is lifted vertically to some height? We cannot hear the sound of the clock. The reason is the reflected sound travels in the plane containing the incident sound wave and the normal drawn to the wall. The angle of incidence of sound is equal to angle of reflection of sound. The normal to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence, direction of incident sound, and reflected sound lie in the same plane.